Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Embattled dancehall star Vybz Kartel and his three co-accused will reportedly not be in court this week for their appeal trial. According to one of his attorneys, Valrenita Robertson, the attorneys gave Kartel the option to not attend court due to the entertainer's concern that he will be a distraction in the courtroom, noting that he wants to avoid the media spectacle. Nita Robertson says Kartel is fully aware of everything that his legal team is doing and all the arguments that they will present in court, and he has an input. She assured us that he has full faith in their capabilities and made the decision himself not to be in court. The trial, which kicked off today, will determine the fate of Kartel, Sean Storm Campbell, Andre St. John and Kahira Jones, who are all hoping that the Court of Appeal will exonerate them of the murder conviction. The four men are serving life sentences for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams, who cops say was beaten to death at a home in Havendale belonging to Kartel. To commemorate the World Cup finals between France and Croatia, the RJ Glina Communications Group hosted Football Fantasy, the ultimate World Cup viewing party, yesterday on the lawns of Hozu. The well-decorated venue was filled with high energy as football fans were out and about to watch the big screen viewing of the World Cup final. The breakfast-inclusive event featured cabanas, live music, kids zone, and so much more. E-Prime spoke with some football fans who shared their enthusiasm and gave feedback on the event.
At the beginning of the World Cup, I said to my friends, I'm extremely confident about this French team. 2 years ago they lost the European Championship and I feel like they had a point to prove. Yes, the vibe was fantastic, the music was great, we really enjoyed it, and I also want to say Le Blanc. A lot of people benefit from it, and I really saw, like, you know, I'd endorse it.
I wish it wasn't all at the finals, you know. I wish it was like at the semi-finals also. But I love the energy. Watching football with a lot of persons, it's very thrilling. It's good stuff.
TVJ's General Manager for Television Services, Mrs. Claire Grant, shared how TVJ benefited from being the official broadcast partner for the 2018 FIFA World Cup.
It was an exciting tournament, I must say. It was very, very good for us, very, very good for our sponsors, and we're really thankful for all of the main sponsors that came on board. Well, we got to expand and do a lot of things. I mean, this event, for example, is something that we haven't quite done with an event like this. I think it has opened a lot of possibility for us, and you can look for us to be doing more things like this in the future.
Football Fantasy, the ultimate World Cup viewing party, was sponsored by TVJ, Flow, Tasty, Caribbean Dreams, Hits, Fosca Oats, Hungry Jack, and Ari TV. Now to news overseas. Beyonce and Jay-Z got into the spirit of World Cup yesterday, which is perfect considering that they were headlining Paris's Stade de France Moments after Paris's Le Bleu earned themselves another trophy. Before the Carters took the stage for their second performance at the stadium in France's capital, the monitors broadcast the World Cup final, which had France facing Croatia on the field for soccer's most prestigious title. France, who won the World Cup before in 1998, beat Croatia 4-2, and Beyonce was there to cheer on the team and capture the joyous reaction. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.